Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. And in today's video, we are going to cover a program to find min and max, like minimum and maximum in an array. So let's start. Let's create our class min max in array. Uh, Let us take an array int a, and it should be like let's take it uh, 4 and 9. We forgot to define our main method. Okay, so inside the main, let's put our array. Oh, Control C, Control V. Yeah, that should work. Now we have got our array. We have to write a method that will like print the minimum and maximum. For that, let's define the method min max, and in that we have to pass the array. Let us define the method static void min max. So what approach we are going to follow? That we will assume that the first element is the minimum and the maximum. So the benefit of doing this approach is that it can happen that it only contain one single element. So that will also cover this test case. Okay, so we are assuming that the the minimum element is the first element. Int min is equal to a of 0, correct? And similarly, maximum is also the first element. And now we are going to write a simple for loop, and we are going to compare each and every element and like put a condition that if that element is greater than max, then we are going to increase put that counter over here. Okay, we are going to assign that element to the max. Otherwise, it if it is less than the first element, then we are going to assign it in the minimum. Okay, so let's do it. We can write as we have already initialized the first element, then I don't think we need to compare it with the first. Let's start with second. Okay, and now we are going to write the condition that if uh, a of I is less than minimum, then like assign it to a minimum is equal to a of I. Otherwise, if it is greater than max, then assign it to max. Okay, if after this, like after coming out of the for loop, let's print the minimum and maximum. Minimum is, let's print the minimum and similarly put it for max. Maximum is max. Okay, let us test our code. So minimum is 2 and maximum is 9. So minimum is 2, maximum is 9. And let's cover one more case. This is a edge case that if it is if a is equal to null, or if a dot length is equal to 0, then in that case we are going to return. Okay, let's format our code, and that's it. It's a very simple program, and let us try to test it with the negative value. So if we have like -3, it should print minimum as -3. Yeah, it is printing minimum, and I don't think we have much to test in this. And let us test for the single element also. So let's assume that we only have two in this. So both minimum maximum is 2. That is also correct. Let us test it for negative. This should also, and let us test for null. Okay, it is not printing anything. Great. So return, or let's print uh, like array is empty. Yeah, exception also. I hope you have got this program covered. If you still have any doubt, just comment down below. And if this program is a value addition for you, consider commenting and like give it a like. That's it. So thank you guys for watching.